Whoa. Okay. That's supposed to come off, right?
Yes.
Yes.
And then it's in between these two.
It's in between the two boards.
Yes. This is the moment we've been waiting for.
Is this screw got to be undone or any screws got to be undone? That one maybe?
Yeah.
Or does it pull up without it? Okay. There's a fucking silver screw right there and there. It's definitely not going to let the motherboard pull up.
Okay, so let's take those out.
Moment of truth here. I gotta flip it over quick.
Wow. What does he call it? Oxidized when it looks like that? It's
Yeah.
not supposed to have that.
Whoa,
big
big
spot
dry
in the middle.
spot. I'm glad that we did it and not just cleaned it, because the big dry spot would have, you
We've
know,
been doing this for exactly 3 hours.
right down to the liquid metal. 3 hours. No wonder they charge $250 to do this. This isn't easy.
No.
Okay.
This one's up next. And this is our inspiration.
All right.
Right?
Look at that one.
Let's see. This one. Oh, yours looks so much better. Like you can see Eddie's reflection in it. Do you see yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Snap it in and get it out. Snap it in, no problemo. And the last things I gotta do is just go down to the face plates, y'all. Down to the face plates, y'all.
Let's see that happy face.
Down to the face plates.
Boom.
Booyah. They were manhandling their PlayStations on the videos and stuff.
Yes.
Okay, last but not least, like I told you right here, I want to get a PlayStation sticker so when it goes through, it illuminates when you turn it on. Okay, so now I go like this and then pop it in, and that's it.
Wow.
She's cleaned right down to
I'm
the
not-
bone.
we're not
She's
gonna leave
cleaned
it up
down
like
to the
that.
bone and liquid metal replaced.